multi-step equations with variables on both sides of the equation. They are on both sides. We're going to use addition and subtraction to get variables on the same side of the equation. We're going to use addition and subtraction to get numbers on the same side of the equation. We're going to use multiply or divide to get variables by itself. Example 15. I'm going to draw my line so I can see both sides of the equation. I see 7k minus 4. Those are not like terms. I cannot combine them together. And 5k plus 16 are not like terms. I cannot combine them together. That means I'm ready to use addition and subtraction to get my variables on the same side. I always like to move the smaller variable to the larger variable. I would like to move 5k over to be with my 7k. And I need to undo it with addition and subtraction. 5k is a positive 5k. I'm going to subtract 5k. Subtract 5k to both sides of the equation. 5k minus 5k cancels. I'm left with 16 equals 7k minus 5k is 2k. And then I have minus 4. So to shift variables across the equal sign, we undo that with addition or subtraction, depending on whether the variable is positive or negative. Now, you are very comfortable on moving the 4, the negative 4, to the opposite side. We do the same thing with variables. We just use the opposite to go to the other side of the equation. I would like to move my negative 4 over with the 16. The opposite of a negative 4 is a positive 4. I'm adding 4 to both sides of the equation, and I get 2k equals 16 plus 4. And now I'm ready to start solving. K is being multiplied by 2, so I divide by 2, and I get that k equals 20 divided by 2 is 10. Example 16, I'm going to see both sides of the equation. 2p, there's nothing to be done on this side, but I do see I need to get rid of these parentheses using the distributive property. I have 8, and now I have negative 3 is out front being multiplied. Negative 3 times p is negative 3p. Negative 3 times negative 4 is a positive 12. Do I have any like terms on this side of the equation? I can put my like terms next to each other so I can see them better. I have a positive 12, negative 3p. I just use the commutative property to switch my 12 and negative 3p. I know that the commutative property says that I can move the order and it's okay. I have 8 plus 12. Those are like terms, which is 20 minus 3p equals 2p. Now I'm ready to start solving my two-step equation. P is being multiplied by negative 3. Next thing we're going to do is look at our variable. We need to get our variables together. I would like to move negative 3p to be over with positive 2p. How do I move a variable across the equal sign? I do the opposite of negative 3p is a positive 3p. I'm going to add 3p to both sides. Negative 3p and positive 3p cancel, and I get 20 equals 2p plus 3p is 5p. Now I'm ready to solve. I have my variable all together on one side and the number on the other side. The opposite of multiplying by 5 would be to divide 5. And we get that p equals 4.